Anyways, back to the topic.
For her manager.
Yes, my manager, I'm so thankful to her because from what recently happened to me, ito po, thankful po kasi hindi po niya ako, Bisaya matani, hindi po niya ako pinababayaan po kasi gusto niya matutunan yung mga nangyari ko before, kaya kailangan ko pong, Bisaya po dira? Sige, Juan.
English.
English.
Nag-English din si Aura. Mali lang.
Pero nag-English. It's the thought that counts.
Yes, you're right, BFF. Yes, according to the Mami Vice, she told me that you have to suffer your coincidence. That's right. Consequences,
You
sorry.
have to suffer.
Yes.
And may that be your last supper. Last supper.
No, it's not, Mami Vice. I'm just so thankful because you are there to guide me. Even though that, yes, that's all. You didn't need to show up the TV. Oh my God.
Ay, bilang si Aura, anong spell ng apelido mo?
Brigela po.
Anong spell?
Anong spelling ng Brigela?
Kalokalike po sinalihan ko. Hindi po spelling ko.
Hindi spelling bee.
Tama naman. Kalokalike naman talaga. Ganun pala yun?
Alam mo, parang hindi naman yung premyo na kalokalike kung gusto niyang makuha.
Ano?
Yung benepisyo ng PCSO pag na-disgrasya. yung tulong ng DSWD at saka PCSO, parang yun ang kailangan
Kaya ganun pala
niya.
yun. Pag hindi mo ma-spell yung apelido mo, tatambling ka na lang.
Oo, tatambling
Yes,
ka na
ganyan
lang.
po.
Ganun pala.
Distraction.
We're not twist.
Oh, yeah.
Grabe, tingnan mo yung tumbling niya at saka yung pag yung split. Tingnan mo, nagkaroon ng pasa yung stage. Yung stage ang nagkapasa dahil hindi siya.
Pati kasi yung katawan,
Oh,
eh.
Tibay ng katawan.